Okay, so this is udemy.com, and this is a site where you can buy and sell solo ads. I have been using this for years and I highly recommend it. And one of the great things about this site is that they have a rating system, so you can rate other people based on how good the transaction was. Okay, another thing that these guys are good at is that they're one of the best at protecting you from fraudulent and useless clicks. Okay, and for an extra cost, you can also exclude certain types of clicks. So let me give you an example. Let's take a look here. I'm just going to quickly log in. Okay, and I'm just looking at a list of sellers here. Let me just go back here. Okay, so this is a list of sellers. Just click on find sellers, and let's just click on the first one here, Darren Hartley. As you can see, you can choose the dates, the number of clicks. Right now, his 44 cents per click. That's how much he's charging. Although, if you buy more, I'm sure he will give you a discount. Okay, never mind that. But what I want to show you is right here. You can choose for an extra cost. Here it's 15 cents. You can choose to filter out any clicks coming from phones and tablets. No proxy, or maybe you only want top tier clicks. So that's an extra 7 cents. And top tier clicks are anybody from the countries of USA, UK, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and Singapore. Okay, or maybe you don't want any corporate connections. As it says here, only visitors from the home or mobile internet connections will pass, and also no visitors from websites. So basically, only visitors with email or non-referrer will pass. Yeah, another great thing about this site is they have a forum where you can network and also get tips from other solo ad buyers and sellers.